You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? Alright, so real quick on Google Sheets, I'm going to show you how to hide a column if you don't want to see it anymore. So it's not really a big deal. This column C right here, I really don't want it to be shown. It's just there. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, and then it will say hide column, and you go down to there and just click on it and it's gone. So if I want to bring it back, there's these two arrows and you just kind of hover over it and click on that and it will bring it back. But I do not need that column, so I'm going to go ahead and right click, hide column. Also, I don't need column E, so I'm going to once again right click on the E part and then go down to hide column, click on that. And then I do not need column G, so I'm going to make sure that I click on it. It's highlighted in blue. Right click and hide column once more. Alright, like always, short and sweet so you can go on your business. Alright guys, have a great day.